Hello, my name is Philip, and you can tell from what's on the table what we're doing today. Pineapple upside down cake on my Masterbuilt 800. We'll be right back. We're back. Something I have never done on any kind of grill is use it to bake a cake or any kind of dessert. So today we're going to change that and make it happen. I took two 9-inch cake pans, melted butter in them, put some brown sugar on, pineapple slices and cherries. I got this recipe from the Betty Crocker website and followed it closely. I'm doing 2 pans because I want to give one to my neighbor. So let's get the batter mixed up. Dry batter in, or the cake mix in the mixer. So it's 1 cup of pineapple juice, 3 eggs, and a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. I am not a professional baker. I'm not even an amateur baker. And now pour about half in each pan. I'm sure most of y'all have baked a cake at one time in your life. You may have even done it on a grill. If you did, how did it turn out? Did you like it? I like pineapple upside down cake. Can't say it's my very favorite in the whole world, but it's up there in the top 10 anyway. I've got the Masterbuilt preheating to 350. Kind of tap these and spread that around. I'm going to take these out and I'll meet you out there. The instructions on the Betty Crocker cake mix package said to cook these for 22 to 27 minutes. Man, they is smoking real good. I think it's coming out of that pan I used last. So we'll put those on here. And we'll come back in about 25 minutes, see how it looks. Well, looking just like a cake, ain't it? I said when the toothpick comes out clean, it's actually a barbecue skewer, but it's clean. I'm gonna call these things done. Well, they sure look pretty. I mean, looks like it was done in the oven. The instruction says to run a knife around the edge to, loosen it up. So that's what we're going to do. All right. Then we have to invert it on a plate. Which I've done this before. It's not a big deal. Just do it fast. Set it down. Now let's see if it comes loose. Ooh, yes it did. Look at that. Look at that. My goodness, only lost a little bitty piece. That is good. That is good. Well, lost a bigger piece there. Gotta do that knife. There it is. Maybe I should have tapped it first. But you know what? I don't hardly think anybody could even tell. That is a thing of beauty. And that little taste I took, It is good. I don't have a smoky flavor or anything like that. So I think that might be good. I'm not sure how a cake would taste with smoky flavor. Maybe I'll find out someday. I don't know. But anyway, this has been a fun little experiment, and we can count this one as a winner because it really turned out good. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you return. And remember, this is the start of a beautiful friendship.